morning. Good morning. It's been a while, to me anyway. I'd like to let you know that I really appreciate you and your support. I just wanted to update you on some things. My son got married this past weekend, and I do plan to post a video showing some of the highlights of that event. I've also enrolled in a leadership class and also a class studying the Book of Acts. And that class is through Morris College of Sumter, South Carolina. And it's online, it's Zooming. And I've been really enjoying that. I've also gone back into my classroom at least 2 days out of the week, but there are still no kids in the classroom. It's just me. And we were preparing for when the kids were to come back to school on November 16th. But since then, the numbers have gone up and they will not be coming back to class on the 16th. I've started a Facebook group. Well, I've always had that Facebook group, but now I've incorporated locks into my loose natural hair group. Also, healthy living. And so if you'd like to join my group, and I would love to have you, the link will be in the description box. It's the name, the beginning of the name is Curly G, and I'm also going to put that name somewhere here in the video. But the link will be in the description box so you can click on it and join the Facebook group. If you have a YouTube channel and you'd like to promote your videos, please do. Let us know when you have a new video. Notifications don't always work. So make sure you post in the Facebook group when you have a new video, or if you have a video about women's health or healthy living, please post that as well. I checked and saw that I have more than 450 subscribers, and I am very happy about that. Early in the year, I was trying to achieve about 250. I am really pleased at the support I've gotten from the Sisterlock community, and I wanted to just say thank you. So in a few weeks or so, I know I will. I just have to get my thoughts together on how to do this. If you have any thoughts on a giveaway, please let me know. But it will be for my 500 subscribers. That's a lot to me. That's a lot of support for a small town girl, a small town YouTuber. This morning, I just wanted to come and talk to you, update you on how things are going in my life. My hair has still been flourishing. You notice that I'm taking out Bantu knots. I slept in them last night. I did the 2-strand twist, and then I did the knots very lightly. They were not tight, and so last night they were not uncomfortable at all. Notice that they're easy to come out, and it's a quick hairstyle. At this moment, I've been on this camera about 4 minutes and 30 seconds. And so this is how long it's going to take for me to get my hair done as I talk to you. Remember, this is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. I love my subscribers, and I love my followers. But I especially love God because he's been so good to me. His mercies are new every morning, and he presents himself to me awesomely every day. Have a great day.